Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E13, and today I would like to show you how you can find all typing features available on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll all the way down and tap on System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Revert. Lastly, click on Text Correction, and as you can see, all typing features are here. If you want to turn on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!